Hello, I'm excited to share this course with you. I put it together today and it's taken me a little bit longer than I expected, but it's really neat. I love this parallaxing effect. For some reason, I've been digging this for a while and I really like how it works. You may have noticed this right here. It's saying that I've visited this page 38 times already. And this is actually a really neat endpoint calculation. So every time you refresh the page, it actually loads and then it will show me, watch how this animation happens. So it's delayed and then it pops up. So now I'm 39. So as I scroll down, see, I love that. And then it's a fun course. Basically, I'm replacing multiple choice questions with open response questions. So I come over here, I'm posed with a question, so I have to answer it, and I say, I don't know. So I submit it. And then as I scroll down, that I'm looking at the LLM response, and notice how this is incorporating my name and it's including basically the response there. And this is showing you how we can do. So this response, because I said, I don't know, it's incorrect. So what I'm trying to illuminate over here is that there's a path that we can actually send them, because if on incorrect, because it's happening through a quiz slide. So the quiz slide with the correct would bounce them through a certain path, and an incorrect would bounce them to a different path. So it's a great way to do branching. But what it really allows us to do, oh, look, see this parallaxing effect. I just love this. I don't know. It's just, I like it. But with this, what I've set it up is, so what I'm doing is I'm creating an API call to an endpoint, shooting over a couple of variables. Then the workflow is actually happening behind the endpoint firewall. So nobody sees what's actually being done. And then the response from my workflow is being returned back into Storyline. So it's like a slingshot effect. But the great part about this is we're not exposing our keys. We're not exposing our workflow in the JavaScript behind the scenes, so people can see what the workflow is. And I think that this is such a better way of doing it, because the LMS will also now report that I got this question wrong. But what we don't typically know is, what did they say or what were they thinking? And now we have a better understanding, because as you'll see in here, you'll see all of the different users. So just keep in mind that, when you put your name in there, your name will show up and other people will see it. If you have any worries about that or whatever, just shoot me a message. I'll remove it. But for now, I just wanted to have it exposed so that everybody could see what other people were saying in response to this question. Love your feedback on this. I think it's a really fun one-pager to get people interested in how to do this. And if you have any questions, let me know. Thanks again for any feedback at all.